Welcome to this video on ratios and proportions. This lesson is designed to help you compare numbers and quantities in a simple and fun way. In this section, we will define what a ratio is. You will learn how to write, simplify, and scale ratios to compare different items effectively. There are several ways to write a ratio, using a colon symbol, as a fraction, or with simple words. Remember, you can keep ratios balanced by multiplying or dividing both parts by the same number. It is important to understand the difference between part-to-part and part-to-whole comparisons. Part-to-part compares groups within a collection, while part-to-whole relates a group to the entire total. Ratios are used everywhere, including in cooking. Chefs rely on them to ensure that ingredients are perfectly balanced, whether they are preparing food for a small group or a large crowd. Scaling is a key skill. If you double your ingredients, you must multiply both parts of the ratio by 2 to maintain the same flavor profile. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with 10 practice questions. These are great for your lessons, tests, or homework. For our first question, we have 5 blue pens and 7 red pens. What is the ratio of blue pens to red pens? Next, a basket holds 4 green apples and 6 bananas. What is the part-to-whole ratio of green apples to the total fruit in simplest form? Third question, can you simplify the ratio 15 to 25 into its simplest mathematical form? For question 4, a school has a student-to-teacher ratio of 20 to 1. If there are 100 students, how many teachers are employed? Question 5, a juice recipe uses 2 cups of concentrate to 5 cups of water. If you scale up to 6 cups of concentrate, how much water do you need? In question 6, we share 15 books between Chidi and Lola in a ratio of 2 to 3. How many books does Lola receive? Question 7 asks for the simplest form of the ratio comparing 30 minutes to 2 hours. Be sure to convert hours into minutes first. Finally, for question 8, in a class of 30 students, the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. How many girls are in the class? Moving on to question 9, we have a rectangle where the ratio of its length to its width is 4 to 3. If the width is 12 centimeters, what is the length? For our final question, question 10, we look at equivalent terms. Ratios can be multiplied to stay balanced. Which of the options provided is equivalent to the ratio 3 to 4? Here is the official answer key for all 10 questions. You can pause the video to review the explanations and rules for each problem to ensure you understand how to arrive at the correct answers. This video is the property of Augustine's Educational Studio. Please note that any unauthorized distribution or editing of these materials is strictly prohibited.